What up, dudes and dudettes? ZR car back again with another video. So picked these Bridgestones up from Marketplace, like I think it was like 600 or something, and thought that was a pretty good deal for the 20s. And I noticed that even though they're the same size, 275 60 R20s, they do lower the truck just a little bit. So I don't know if it's just because they're not the all-terrain or all-season or blah 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 or what, but just thought I'd do a little before and after of the black 20s. They look pretty good on this thing, I'd have to say. And I picked some up yesterday, actually from a Z71 Tahoe. I just wanted to kind of show you the difference and how it looks between the black and then the different ones I got. So talk amongst yourselves. All right, here's the other 20s that I bought off of a Z71 Tahoe or Suburban. They supposedly have 183 miles. And I believe it. They got the little fuzzy things on them still. But they're hard to find, kinda. And then if you do find one with wheels like this, I should say new tires like this, they want $1 million for them. So I picked these up for $1,000. Thought they were a pretty sweet deal. I do still have the stock RST wheels as well. They do look similar to these gray and aluminum ones, but not quite the same. So I'll show you what they look like through the wizardry of editing. All right, dudes. So how do you like the Z71 wheels? You can definitely tell it's an inch or so higher. These kind of are more street tires on the old ones, and this definitely sits up higher. Like I said, these only have 183 miles, I think you said. So, a little dirty, but they do look pretty sweet. I like the black ones too, but I've always liked these wheels. That's why I bought them. So I'll try them out this winter. Like I said before, I do also have the stock RST wheels that look really similar to this. But thanks for mowing your lawn. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tell me which wheels you like better. Peace.